Hello guys, welcome back to Dakami. I go by the name of Ishabi. Did you know you can actually create invisible folders on your desktop? If no, then hit the subscribe button, like this video, tell me in the comment section if this video was helpful to you, and don't forget to share to your friends. Okay, so now let's go straight into the video. So there's it. Let me take this folder here. The name is game. Okay, so I'm going to right click on it and then click on show more options, and then I'm going to click on rename. So you're going to create an invisible folder. So what you have to do is to click on Alt, click and hold on Alt 0160. Remove your hand from the Alt. Now we see that the name is cleared, and then we click on it, enter. Now the name is gone, so now we just have the folder. Now I'm going to make the folder invisible. So this is what you have to do. You have to right click on the folder. We click on properties. When we click on properties, we go to customize, and then we come to change icon, and then we navigate through, and then we see invisible folders, like invisible icons. So we click here, and then we click on OK, and now we can click on apply, and then now we can click on OK. Now our visible folder is gone, so I can double click, and then my folder will open for me. Boom, this is it. So this is easy, fast, and then you can, for privacy reasons, you can hide one of your folders at the top of your desktop. Charlie, don't forget to subscribe. I go by the name of Official. This is Dakami. I'm out. Boom.